Okay students, in this video I am going to explain the third technique of graphing of transformation of functions. Now dilation. So first two techniques which are reflections and translation, the shape and size will not change, the same congruent graph you are going to get. But here the shape will not change but size may vary. Okay, so dilation is also a transformation, but it will cause the graph expands or contracts. That means it might expand, அது bulge ஆகலாம், இல்லைனா contract, compress ஆகலாம், like நம்ம zip file மாதிரி. Okay, so if you multiply this function by any positive number, okay, for example 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, positive constant, it will vertically stretches means what? Expands, or by it is like vertically stretches or compresses its graph. That is what? The graph moves away from x-axis or towards the x-axis. So positive constant means what? Positive constant should not take only 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 also. Okay, so if the constant is more than 1, okay, it will stretches towards the x-axis, it will compresses towards the x-axis. But it is more than 1, it will move away from the x-axis, it will expands. Okay, so expands and contracts, you remember enough. Vertically stretches or compresses the graph. So that means what? Vertical stretches means the graph moves away from x-axis. Moves away from x-axis. Compress means what? It will come towards the x-axis. That's it. So only two cases. Away from x-axis towards the x-axis. Expands, contracts. Okay, if the positive constant is greater than 1, expands. The positive constant less than 1, contracts. Positive constant greater than 1, moves away from x-axis. 2, 3, 4, 5, move away from x-axis. It is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, it will come towards the x-axis. The kitta or x-axis. 2, 3, 4 in the away poidum, thalli poidum. Okay, for illustration we will see. Consider the graphs y is equal to f of x is equal to x square, and f of x 1 by 2 x square, f of 2 x square. So this is y is equal to x square graph. In reflections also we saw upward parabola. This is upward parabola. This is parabola upward. So now you see this y is equal to 1 by 2 x square. It will cause the graph of y is equal to x square stretches towards x-axis. இது பாரு, இதுக்கு x-axis கீழே வருது முன்னாடி. Okay, it is moving towards the x-axis. முன்னாடி இங்கே இருந்தது, இப்போ வந்து it is coming towards the x-axis. X-axis கிட்ட வந்திருக்கு. Because this we are multiplying with 1 by 2. I already told, if it is 1 by 2, 1 by 3 means less than 1. So less than 1 means what? It will stretch towards the x-axis. That's why it will come towards the x-axis. Okay, next one. F of x is equal to 2x square. What it will be? It will do? Causes the graph of the function f of x square, okay, compresses towards y-axis. But you can tell move away from the x-axis. Both are same. Y-axis கிட்ட வரும்னா கரெக்டா, x-axis க்கு தள்ளி போய்டானு கூட கரெக்டா. Okay, moves away from the x-axis or it will compress towards the y-axis. Because the multiplication factor is 2, which is greater than 1. So 1 க்கு மேல இருந்தா it will move away from the x-axis. 1 கீழ இருந்தா it will come towards the x-axis. So now here you see here y is equal to 2x square. So it is moving away from x-axis. இந்த கர்வுக்கு okay, இது நடுவுல இருக்கு. இது வந்து x-axis கிட்ட வந்திருக்கு. Because 1 by 2. இது 2 னால x-axis க்கு தள்ளி போயிருக்கு. That means what? It is approaching towards the y-axis ன்னு அர்த்தம். இப்படி இருந்தது, இப்படி y-axis கிட்ட வரும். Okay, expand ஆயிடுச்சு. Okay, so it will move away from the x-axis or it will come towards the compresses towards the y-axis. முன்னாடி y-axis தூரமா இருந்தது, இப்போ y-axis கிட்ட வந்தது. Okay, opposite x-axisல இருந்து தூரமா போயிடுச்சுன்னா y-axis கிட்ட வருதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, so if the positive constant is more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will move away from x-axis. The positive constant less than 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, it will come towards the x-axis. Okay, so expands, contracts. That's it. Expands, contracts. Like that we have to remember. That is the meaning of dilation. Okay, that's it students. So with this, the introductory part of 1.4 I finished. The next videos and all I will upload exercise 1.4 problems. Okay students, So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.